Shidim Shuri, October 30th, Wednesday. One more day before tax loss selling is over. Let's go over some earning play and then some beaten up tax loss selling play. Only one more day left for these kind of opportunities. All right, first up, Slumber J. No doubt, there's tax loss selling here. And if you are into the narrative of drill baby drill, then this is not a bad place. I do have a small, very small position in Slumber J, but I like it. I don't hate it here. Okay, I don't hate it here. Fundamentally, it's definitely not a play I like because weak oil, weak economy, energy, and energy related play is not the kind of place you want to be in. Narratively wise, it is a place to be in. And seasonality wise, it is a place to be in. Okay, let's make that very clear. The competitor which I like more, there was a time that I like Slumber J more than Halliburton, but right now I like Halliburton more. So if I was to put money into either stock, instead of like adding more to Slumber J, I am more inclined to add to Halliburton because technical wise, it is a better play. It is at the bottom, at VLO. Yeah, that's the place. Okay, that's the place to be, and it is down 20% plus, and this move can be pretty powerful. Okay, let's look at the 52-week high. Can you imagine? Just 52-week high 6 months ago to 52-week low today. Yeah, that's how bad things have been. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I like buying in the mid 20s, 27, high 20s, I would say. You can see 34. Okay, there's a 20% move into this. Last of the energy play. I like this the most out of all three that I've shown so far. Slumber J, Halliburton, and Valero. TA wise, solid. Okay, solid here. Channel low. Okay, channel low, and you have this yellow line here, which is it's more or less a zone of support. Let's go back 3 years to see what that is. Yeah, to me it's better off if I was going to draw in a zone because it's not like a sharp line that show clear bounce. Yes, you see right here where it was support, and right here where it was a battle line. Yeah, so in some way, yeah, more or less between this yellow line and this yellow line is the support zone coming into the 200 weekly moving average, right, down to 114. So can it get down there? I don't rule out coming all the way down there if we go into a recession, right? So for now, TA wise, seasonality wise, I like it here. I have some put spread play, but it's down here. Okay, down. I'm playing it safe. I'm using the channel low, and this yellow line is my line of defense. I mean, it's not a huge money play, but I like it. Right? I like it. All right, let's take a look at some earning play. QRVO got the shellacking yesterday, and I bought a few shares. Basically, I had ordered in at just below the gap fill, right? My highest order after hour yesterday was 90. I thought for sure one gap fill would do it, two gap fill would do it? No. Not so. And we are taking it below even this yellow line. Okay, this, let's take a look what that yellow line is. I have not traded QRVO in forever. All right, basically a channel low, right? So you look at this, you can tell this is a very clean chart because it has been so many years since I even cared to look at QRVO. I think the last time I traded QRVO was pre-pandemic. Let's go back even further. Let's go back 5 years. That's how you can see pandemic. Okay, yeah. Wow, what a, you see pandemic low, and then this big move, 200. Wow, wow. Okay, yeah. It was ugly. It is super ugly. Now last October, as you can see, bottom out October 10th at 70, 75-ish, and then eventually by December it was 104. Yeah, from 75 to 104. I take that. Would you take that 25-30% move? Yeah. For now, look like we are piercing through this and come to this very likely. Okay, so as I mentioned in the chat group yesterday, I had an order. I grabbed a few share at the gap fill, but my next order is down here, right? If it come all the way down, get it over with. Okay, my advice to anyone that want to go long here, just hold off your buy order, put it down in the 80, right at the low, right? Let it suck it right down, get it over with, right? Tax loss selling season is ending tomorrow. Just wiped out. Basically, if you come down to 80, it would wipe out 40%, all right? And this is just 3 months ago. That was brutal, okay? Just 3 months ago, it was 52-week high. Wow. We will see 52-week low perhaps today or tomorrow. But yeah, brutal. Brutal. That's all I gotta say. Brutal. Now, the other one that had earning was CROX. Came right down to VLO. Not a random spot, right? That's ugly. Yeah, I look at this chart a couple weeks ago, and at the time it was right here, just last week or 2 weeks ago. I didn't like it, you know. Um, I didn't like it more back then because of earning season. I tend not to want to buy prior to earning. For those that have not been with me a long time, in a strong economy, a real bull market, buying into earning is not a bad idea because companies tend to beat earning, guide higher in a growth environment. We are in a very tough environment the past year, so it is a big gamble to buy into something pre-earning. Not that I don't do it, I'm very cautious compared to, in a real bull market, strong economy. I am less cautious. I'm more cautious at this stage of the economy. Um, that being said, is it time to buy CROX? Show me a sign, right? The key is if it trades sideways inside this candle here, then it's okay. If you have it, if you bought on the dip yesterday, then it's surely low of day or should be your stop. There is, yeah, this is it here, because if this failed to hold, if the low of day failed to hold here, then fill in the gap is a no-brainer. Okay, no-brainer, and it's not that far below. The gap is not that far below. It's literally $1 below. And then you get the fib. The 61.8 fib is right here. Okay, so that's, if you haven't bought it yet, to me, that's the spot. Okay, you can surely sell 105, 100 put spread expiring Friday for lunch money. That's not a bad area to do. Right now, pre-market showing a little strength, but be careful. I would not buy today. Okay, if I buy today, it would have to be down here. But as far as buying into the green, buy on green, no, not on the second day of a dump. Okay, give it at least 3 days, 4 days to stabilize. But not a bad stock to buy. Okay, not a bad stock to buy. Fundamentally, not a fan. TA wise, I am a fan. It's always nice to have something that have TA as a buy spot as well as fundamental strength. But right now, not fundamental strength. TA wise could be a spot of support. That's it. Good luck, people. Bye bye.